This is an overview for transporters to assign waste for pickup using EPA's Waste Tracker. You can access Waste Tracker through the EPA portal on our website. Sign in using your portal account details. From the drop-down menu at the top of the screen, choose Waste Transporter Dashboard. Find your waste records using the headings. Or you can enter a waste record ID into the search field. Once you've selected your record, use the right-hand side menu to assign it to a driver for collection. Scroll to the bottom of your record to find your list of drivers. Click on Assign and select the driver you want to collect the waste. The record will now show as assigned on your Waste Transporter dashboard. The assigned driver will see your waste record in their work list. Before you log out, you can change the assigned driver, reject the waste, email, or view other details of the waste record. For more information on how to use Waste Tracker, visit epa.vic.gov.au/waste tracker.